In this video I'll demonstrate how to add a discount coupon on the LiveLaughLove website. So first of all, find the products that you would like to purchase. Now these need to obviously apply to the coupon if the coupons are specific to a product. So then add the product to your basket. There's two ways to apply coupons. One is in the basket and the other is in the checkout. So first of all, I'll show you in the basket. So click on View Basket, and here you have a field for entering your coupons. Now I'll enter a demonstration one now, and click on Apply Coupon. And you can see it wheels around and you can see the coupon has been applied. Now I'll remove that coupon and show you it in the checkout. So if you don't go through the basket, or if you forget to add the coupon there and you proceed to checkout, you have an option up here to have a coupon. Click here to enter your code. So click there, enter the code, and apply the coupon again. That shows you the coupon code. So that's how you apply coupons on the LiveLaughLove website. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or email hello@LiveLaughLove.nz.